G'day, here's a small parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal from Mixed Fields, Central Queensland, rules in millimetres, materials being wetted. Some of the white that you're seeing on there is a reflection of the lights, like that piece. These are just offcuts and interesting pieces. This basically hasn't got a lot of colour in it. A lot of people are after a nice hard stone like that for backing, for making doublets. That looks like a piece of lightning ridge type materials found its way in there. It's a little bit of Koroite type material. Eye of opal and potch in the middle. These are just basically, like I say, offcuts. Most don't have a lot of colour in them by the looks. Looks like there's a couple of pieces with some colour. Fine lines of colour in that piece. Little eye with a pattern in it there. It's interesting. Black opal potch. A lot of other pieces. Oh, there's a nice little piece. That's in the deal. Anyway, there's a lot of other pieces to look at there. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.